the story of the two birds, the two parrots, you know, parrots, one in cage here, one in cage here. You know, when it comes like spring where birds start to have this blood rush a bit more higher than usually, you know, and one day sun was shining, the male bird goes to the female one. And the female refused, died. Next day. She still refused. Third day. Refused. After a week now, it was the female that kind of wanted to have a kind of relation with that one, you know. He couldn't stand it anymore. She really couldn't stand it anymore. She goes like... And the male goes... I mean, he couldn't stand it anymore. It was a week. What the hell is that? Come on.
Oh, what is it?
It's cool. It's cool. It's